Welcome to Adobe Max. Thank you for joining us.
An explosion of creativity is underway.
I had to, really push my way in and show people what I could do.
None of my designs would be good if I was not willing to be vulnerable.
Today marks a major inflection in the journey of Creative Cloud. We're making Creative Cloud as much about collaboration as it is about creativity.
Let's jump in and take a look.
I've never concentrated on nourishing a career. I'm very, very interested on living and nourishing a life.
For the first time ever, we're bringing Photoshop and Illustrator to the web.
But what if I want to explore a 3D look in Illustrator?
Just with one click, I get a great head start to my colorization process, and that's going to be a great addition for any Photoshop user.
I'm very hopeful there's going to be this understanding of how to leverage these tools to really communicate in a way that's never been communicated before.
Now let's create tomorrow together.